How to unarchive messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to unarchive messages on Messenger. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Messenger app is up to date. To do that, just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So assuming now that you have updated your Messenger app, you may now open it. And before you can unarchive a message, you should have an archive first. So for example, you want to archive this chat, what you're going to do is to either press and hold on that chat and click on archive right here, or swipe left on that chat until you can see the archive button. And now, once you have archived a message, you may go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, scroll down a little bit, and look for archived chats right here. Click on archive chats, wait for it to load, and look for the chat that you want to unarchive. So just like when you are archiving a chat, you may either press and hold onto that chat, click on unarchive, or you may swipe left like this one. So again, what you're going to do if you want to unarchive, press and hold onto that chat or swipe left like this one. So that's it. That's how you can unarchive messages on Messenger.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.